Hey.
Oh, this lady worry me. Hello?
Hey, how are you?
Everything is working good.
Okay, I miss you.
I miss you too.
So, where are you?
I went to some place, so I'm in the house.
Are you sure?
Exactly.
Maybe I went to town and I decided to pass by your place.
I went out. I went out.
You went out? Like seriously?
Exactly.
Maybe you went out, but your car is parked
No,
in front of your house.
No, yes, but I didn't go with my car. I left behind. I left my car in the house.
Like for 3 or 4 people, you just left your car home.
Exactly. Sometimes I have a small flat tire in there. Sometimes I have to take maybe some passenger car in there. You understand me?
So you said you travel. So where are you? And when are you coming back?
Maybe I'll come. Maybe next week. Next week I'll come back. Yeah.
Maybe next week.
Exactly.
And maybe next week.
Exactly.
Maybe next week.
Yeah, maybe next week.
I'm at the back of your window. Your AC is on, so how can we travel and you did not off your AC?
Yeah. One of my friend, no, one of my like my neighbor. Sorry, honey, sorry. One of my friend, and he come to my place yesterday, and he told me that I should give my room. He want to make 1 or 2 things. So I think that maybe he on the AC. That is exactly.
So you think maybe your friend on the AC?
Exactly.
Baby, are you sure what is going on?
I'm okay. Why? You have any problem? I'm okay, please.
I'm at your house. Your AC is on. You said you are not home. Your car is outside. You said, yeah, you left it there. Are you sure?
Exactly. I left my car behind.
Okay. Open the door.
Huh?
It's not an edge. Okay, open the door.
I'm not there. I'm not. Why can I lie to you, honey? I'm not.
I said open the door. So you're not home, right? You're not home. Cut the call. No, cut it. You do it. Uche, then how? I think we have to talk. Uche, we have to talk.
Honey.
Men's no, Mr. Honey, come. We have to talk. Fine, come, we have to talk.
Now I want to make this.
Now you want to what?
But
Uche, Michelle, what the end mommy whom left and right?
No.
My brand 2 years relationship without touching. Don't be any say me here scar or the mammy. Me here be the mammy. And now not dear na me pay. I don't mean me make control. Meaning say fire or do me and how no me. My baby had a catch on me power show me cereal. My baby a catch me. Cause
my problem is this. It's not how the way you are thinking. No, it's not how the way you are thinking. But you know, say
You like me, you love me, but you can't touch me. Some love and that like you know. As it is saying. Oh, power you can. Oh, fine. It's true. Say like the American no be on bed with your guy and whatever no. I'm not sure, and I'm not sure so be done. But at least 2 good years relationship. But they can form me back up a cry. Now most say I'm yours.
Honey, the reason is sometimes
I've been there. Me family will be. Me family will be. It is fine. Do you want me to cheat on you? Tell me.
It's not what you.
Relationship is not about money. What is it? Tell me. I have all years to listen. What is it?
Honey, you know something. It's not what you think.
It's not what I think, but what is it?
It's not what you think. It's not what you think. But
and then when you're done, when me better. When you're done, when me better.
Honey, you know something.
I'm not going home.
You know something.
I will spend 3 days here or a week here.
I'm going out. One of my car has.
I don't care. I will go with you. From there, we will come back home.
Honey, please. You know something. Hey!
Come on.
Sorry.
Come.
Sorry.
Hey! Uche, what is going on?
No, wait. Let me explain. No. I will shout. Let me explain.
Uche.
Let me explain. Honey, you know something.
What is it?
Let me explain.
Explain what? Into me your band. Come on. Me see when name. Me sure.
Okay. Honey, you know something. I want to tell you something.
Come on.
I like you and I love you. The way you are, I don't want anything to happen to the two of us. Do you understand me? The love I have for you is very strong, and the care I have for you is very strong.
Come on.
I don't want to make something to break your heart. You know something? You know, say, for the first time I see you, your beauty, your body, your face, the way your body look like, I just like it, I just love it, and I just care about your body. Your face make me I like you as the way I am now.
So come, you like me, I like you, I love you.
Don't
come on. Hey!
Anyway, there's a neighbors. I don't want to shout too much.
Okay, so talk. Have.
So the reason is this. You see, I had the way you did for the first time I see you. Now I don't want anything to happen. And honey, please, don't be offended. Don't be offended.
I have to.
Don't be offended. You know something?
I've been in a relationship for 2 years without kissing, touching, feeling the body. So what do you want me to do? Tell me.
Honey, the whole scenario is this.
You don't love me?
I love you.
Then why?
The whole scenario is this. I have HIV.
No, do you think I'm a kid or what?
Oh yes, honey, I'm not joking. I have it, but the way I see you, for the first time I see you, you are not asking me for money. You are not asking anything. The way you love me, the way you care for me. UCHE, have you eat? UCHE, are you there? UCHE, let me come and wash your clothes. Everything. I don't want to touch you or to make love with you. And I will give you some of you. You are not a bad person. You are a very good woman have. I don't want to cheat on you too. And
Who is?
I have H. I have H, and I have IV. That is
UCHE.
That is HIV. And one thing is that the way I like you, I don't want to give it to you because you are very good. If I give it to you, I have offended God. That is exactly. That is
exactly what? Ade.
That is exactly when you are touching me. I don't want you to touch you.
UCHE.
Because I have given it to some people.
No, please let me talk. You're giving it to some people, whatever. I don't care. You waste my time. UCHE, baby, I'm a bit true. So good tears.
Let the heart come
I don't mean that, dear mouth.
Let the heart come down, please.
Open my some domina. Wait, me, uncle, we aren't sure that uncle could have been friends, but not lovers. Mama made your drama worry, and then the doctor share with us all the different ladies, but open so the mama cause open my some dummy.
Annie, don't go. And leave me alone.
I'm very disappointed in you.
Annie, please don't go.
I'm very disappointed in you.
Please don't go. Annie, please don't go. Annie, please don't go. Don't go. Annie, please don't go. Leave me alone. I got the father's